Hello everyone. Impromptu live. Is anybody out there? Please say hello. Hello one and all. Hello, hi Jeet, Sabia, Yuvan. I always love people's handles. I've done my makeup so quick today. I don't know what rubbish I've done, literally. Hello everyone. Hi Irumi, Irushmi. Hello. Shri Lake Shimim. Wow. Wow. Hello everybody. It's August. No, it's October. Sorry, crack joke. I'm so active. Okay, you got to see me in the morning. I'm not active. Hello Prasan. Hi, hello, Secret Mystery. Secret Mystery, what's your secret? Please tell us. We want to know. You know, people's handles have the most incredibly, like, the names are unbelievable, and I always wonder what's behind the name, you know, like Sexy Stud or like, you know, something. Called you Naira Mom. How sweet, Saru. Naira's downstairs. I was actually trying to get my mother-in-law on live because there are so many people that want her to chat with her. She's getting marriage proposals on my DMs. Yes. Sassy Sasu, stop hiding and please come, man. Be my guest today. Naira is downstairs. I can go down, but she is in some mood today. Swag mom, I'm telling you, Nishu, dude, she's like really swag. Hello, Sanita. Happy muffin. Listen, I'm sweat. Listen, I know you're calling this Sasu, and she is right now at my sister-in-law's house, and she's refusing to get on. I can see her. She's supposed to send me a request, and she's not sending me a request. Where is my mother-in-law? Guys, I have to say, Manjri, come on. Where are you? Dude, my mom-in-law has just given me a full Kayla scene here and she has actually ditched me. I'm feeling very bad. Show Hans. Hans is actually passed out, yeah. You know, it's 5:30. I don't know what happened to him today. Hi, Renu Prasad. Thoda sa hai pyar hua hai, thoda hai baki, yes. Loving my hair, listen, really, little saint. I'm not. I'm having a very bad hair day today. Just look at this. It's like, it's so dry. Did you get the request? No, Alishka, I haven't got her request. Yes, Manjri Varde. Can you send her request and go live with Manjri Varde? Varde, please come. Everybody's waiting for you, man. Tell you, my Sasu's got real divaness going on, huh? It's like, oh! Oh my god! Hi, sexy Sasu, dude.
Hello.
My god, you actually came live. Wow. I tell you, everybody's so lucky. Ma, somebody break a coconut on my head. Just getting this lady to go live is like trying to get, you know, some big shot. Very nice to have you on my live, Sassy Sasu. So everybody wants to know, do I really talk to you like that, or do you really talk to me like that? Do we talk to each other like that? Or are we that very, that, you know, Sasuma, aap chai piyoge please? Hanji mama. Are we that?
Very nice. No, I don't give a... Can't say it. No, we're just fine, yeah. It's a normal house in Bombay, Mumbai. So that's how we talk to each other.
Exactly. And now we're in Goa. Listen, I got to tell you something. You're getting some superb marriage proposal type scenes, okay? And everybody knows that you're single. So I want to know, would you consider dating anybody, or are you just happy with me right now with the family?
I have the whole family, okay? Not just you.
Exactly. But I'm trying to say is that, would you consider dating? Because I'm seriously getting some crazy requests going on here.
No.
No? Okay, fine. No. Chalo. Now, would you consider actually doing something crazy with me, like maybe doing more videos, or do you think I'm really irritating you with this much itself?
My God, I can't match your energy. Oh,
My
it's
energy.
fun. Yeah.
Listen, in today's video, I never asked you to say Batata is my soulmate, okay? That's your line. I don't even ask you to say these things. And you're telling me you're matching my
I
energy.
love potatoes. I just love them.
Exactly. So, in
And you
general, I
know
was telling, listen, all these girls out there want to know how to get a sasu like you. What answer do I give? Now, you only answer that, right, girls? Am I not right? How many of y'all ask me how to get sasu like sassy sasu? Now, Guzu sassy sasu, you tell me how to get a sasu like you. I need to know.
I don't know. My son went out and got you. Now I didn't do
Listen,
anything, right? So it's
sassy
all on my
sasu.
son.
Let me rephrase that. Akshay Vardhe didn't get me. I had to ask him out, okay?
Whatever. It was yours.
Exactly. No, but
You didn't see me. You saw me.
what advice do you give to girls to get a like to have a good sasu bahu relationship? This is for unmarried girls or girls who are married.
You, if someone can take honesty, give it to them. Otherwise, please, for some time, be very tactful. You're not,
Tactful.
I am.
You are not tactful, okay? You
I
just
am.
in an interview today, do you remember what you told that person? Samira is so large. She's so
You are
tall and
larger than
large.
life.
You called me large.
You are.
Okay, listen, guys. Do you think calling me large is like a compliment? I'm not large, okay?
Hello, it's
I'm
larger
tall.
than life. Do you not get it?
Listen, this is you putting your foot in your mouth and then covering it up by saying I'm larger than life.
Who was your English teacher? Please tell me. In school, I'm going back to school. She never taught you larger than life.
Listen, the truth is you're a lot of fun. And I tell all the girls this, that relationships are built by making mistakes. And we have made lots of mistakes. My sister-in-law can definitely tell you that she's refereed a lot of moments between us. But I believe that only if you rip that band-aid out and have fun with the person that you're going to spend so much time with in your house, it's a very dangerous, this whole sasu and this whole in-law space is quite tricky because they're in your face like a family, but you have to really be careful with what you say half the time because you shouldn't tread and you shouldn't make, you shouldn't sort of say something silly.
That's true.
And I think that's where you and me have crossed the line where we say stuff to each other, but it's like chalta hai.
Yeah. No. And the one thing I'm not insecure about is my children. So you know how mother-in-law speaks, beta leke jayegi and all. So I was anyways independent, living on my own for a while. So that fear was not there. So I
Exactly.
think that made a big difference.
You are basically a complete stud woman, and I have to say this to you today. I wanted you as a guest on my live because I'm so proud of the fact that so many women message me saying how cool you are. And
Oh,
I'm so proud of the fact that my mother in law is sassier than me. And that for me is the coolest thing ever. And that's the
thank you.
reason I had you on the live today
Thank
to
you.
say that we love you. Don't shy away from making videos with me, man. I mean, I'm going to keep pushing you to do Nautang stuff with me. Am I right, people? Please back me up here when I say she needs to make some crazy ass videos with me. Yes? See? Exactly. Okay. Now, please come
Right.
back to my house quickly. Leave your daughter and come to your daughter in law. Okay? Equal, equal. I'm waiting.
All right. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Lots of love. Bye.